Hey everybody, David over at Frequency Frontiers. So for today's Ham Radio Minute, let's talk about the radio that accidentally saved ham radio. So let's get this one straight. The baofeng UV5R did not ruin ham radio. It helped save it. And whether we like the radio or not, we need to capitalize on what it started. For decades, getting into ham radio meant money, complexity, and intimidation. And then this little handheld showed up cheap, everywhere, and unintentionally revolutionary. The UV5R didn't make people bad hams, it made new hams. And here's what the baofeng did that no other radio had done in years. You didn't need $300. You didn't need a shack. You didn't need an Elmer on speed dial. You just needed curiosity and a test. And suddenly, preppers found ham radio. Off-roaders found ham radio. Storm watchers found ham radio. And tech nerds found ham radio. That's not a problem. That's a pipeline. Look at the license numbers over the last decade. When affordable handhelds exploded, new license growth followed. Not because the UV5R was perfect, because it was accessible. Every hobby that survives long term does one thing well. It makes starting easy. So here's where ham radio drops the ball. We treat baofeng users like they're temporary, like they don't belong, like they're not real hams yet. That's backwards. The UV5R is not the destination, it's an on-ramp. And every on-ramp needs signs, not gatekeepers. So if we're smart, here's what we do. We welcome them on repeaters, teach programming without judgment, encourage upgrading antennas before upgrading radios, and introduce HF early without overwhelming them. Invite them to field day, POTA, Aries, contest. Every baofeng is a future HF rig if we don't scare the operator away. So here's the bigger picture. Ham radio doesn't grow because radios get better. It grows because people feel included. The UV5R didn't dilute the hobby, it expanded it. Now it's our job to turn that curiosity into skill, and beginners into lifelong operators. This is David over at Frequency Frontiers, and as always, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.